Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are requesting all of our visitors, our participants, and alumni to please come here inside of our gymnasium because we will now be beginning our opening ceremony for this year's Alumni Basketball League 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to La Consolacion College Bacolod Y2K Alumni Basketball League 2025. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this league isn't just about a showcase of talent or a display of skills in basketball. This is also a vital fundraising event for the highly anticipated 76th alumni homecoming of the Consolacion College Bacolod this coming September 6th, which means your presence here tonight truly adds value and, of course, participation in making that event a success. How about let's hear it this evening for our participating teams. Can we hear it from our teams? Hello, mga gabi! How about from our visitors? Maayong gabi! Dahil nakahinay sa ating energy again. Maayong gabi! Ayun. How about let's do a roll call with our team. Starting off with our Team Innocence. How about let's hear it from Team Innocence? Again, let's hear it from Team Innocence. Ari ang pinakadamo, sige nga gabi. Let's hear it for Trauma Y2K. How about from the Negros Architects Basketball Club? How about let's hear it from Trauma Tigers? Ayun gabi. Let's hear it for the Pink Kittens of 94. Pink Kittens of 94. Andito ba sila? Wala sila. Alright, let's hear it for our last team tonight, Centennials. Ayun gabi. Fantastic energy, everyone. To officially commence our proceedings, may I respectfully call upon one of the alumni of Batch Y2K, Mr. Sandro Allegro, to lead us the invocation to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
May I request everyone to stand for our opening prayer. Let us feel the holy presence of God in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Heavenly Father, we come before you today with grateful hearts for the gift of this game. We ask you for your presence on the court, guiding our actions and decisions. Grant us strength, agility, and a clean mind. Help us to play with integrity and to treat each other with respect. Regardless of the outcome, may our love for the game and for your shine through in our effort and sportsmanship. In this we ask through Christ our Lord. And we remain standing for our national anthem.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sandro Allegro. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce you a special guest tonight. Not only is she a shining beacon of sportsmanship, but she is also the very talented daughter of one of the alumni of Batch Y2K. To lead us the oath of sportsmanship, let's all welcome Miss Brianna.
We, the participants of the La Consolacion College Bacolod, Y2K Alumni Basketball League 2025. Standing united in the spirit of camaraderie and fair play, do hereby solemnly pledge that we shall uphold the true essence of sportsmanship, respecting the rules of the game, the decisions of the official, and the integrity of our opponents. That we shall compete with honor, demonstrating discipline, perseverance, and dedication in every moment on the court. That we shall strive for victory with humility and accept defeat with grace. Always remembering that the bond of brotherhood forged through this league is more valuable than any tribe. That we shall inspire and encourage one another, fostering an environment of mutual respect, positive competition, and lasting friendship. That we shall play not only for the glory of our teams, but also for the joy of the game, the pride of our alma mater, and the strengthening of our alumni community. This we promise for the love of basketball, for the spirit of LCCB, and for the enduring values of sportsmanship. So help us God.
Thank you so much, Brianna, for leading the oath of sportsmanship. We would like to request a photo opportunity with Miss Brianna together with our alumni players. Miss, please step forward. All right, how about we compress? Let's all compress for a photo opportunity with Miss Brianna. Miss Brianna Ang is the daughter of Miss Mary Ermid Ang, one of the batch alumni of batch Y2K. Now, everyone, please join our players for the photo opportunity. Once again, requesting everybody here tonight to join our players for the photo opportunity. Again, we are requesting everyone here tonight to join our players for the photo opportunity.
Hindi mo makukuha picture. Dili ko lang sa center, sir. Sige, sir, i-move ko na na yun. Okay na, ikaw na na yun.
Guys, eyes here. Closer kamay. One, sulod. Diba? Okay, ready? 1, 2. Napabesan ka.
Kuha mo set na, no?
Okay, ready guys? 1, 2. Last one. Thank you.
Ay, wala na.
Let's give it up for Mr. Antonio De Ramos Jr.
Wait! Stay. Please stay, and please stay. Can you stay? After you done? Why pa hindi mo tatapos? Wala pa ni-declare si Commissioner ang aton nga open. Sir, kano doon eh? Hindi pa tapos. Players? Players, can you please stay in front? Nag-mandatory pick lang na to. Boys, down na namin! Boys, down na namin! Wala na yung... Dito na. O players, hep! Hooray! Hep! governor and the overall coordinator for our events. So my name is Antonio De Ramas Jr. So would like to thank people here. Si Commissioner Nancy Commissioner, would like you to give a round of applause para kay Sir Archie Abeliana for organizing these events for us. And I would like to acknowledge we have here the presence from our board of directors from our alumni office sa LCC. So on behalf of Attorney Tihada, the president of our alumni, we have here representation from our board of directors. So please stand. Sir Nino Navarro. And then next, our board of director, Vladimir Nonato. And then, Ma'am Ellen May Hima. So we have here, thank you for gracing us on our opening ceremony. And we also have our host, yung mga gesta. So Zoe. And then ang ating guest man, si Brianna. Hi Brianna! Hi! Thank you for your presence. This means a lot to us to have a wonderful, meaningful, and memorable opening ceremony. So, basketball is part of our life. So, welcome din, pakalas naman ta, liwat. So, this is a time for our camaraderie and aton yung friendship, magband liwat. So, we would just like to remind as well, competition is good, but remember the essence of respect, of love. So we shout loudly and we honor each other proudly. So remember, ang atong game is engagement and having fun together with our alumni and our community of friends. So with this, I'll turn over to you, to our commissioner, to open.
Okay. So, good evening everyone. Sa mga teams na nag-adto, di naman ako salamat pag nagpa-register. Again, sa rules na, ma-schedule kami kung complete na ang bayad. Kung kami sa rota ang bayad, ganit kami gamay na compare sa ginapangatan na court. Ginapangatan na court, amo ni, kag sa 3K, every Thursday sa 3K ta, every Saturday 3 ta. Okay? Kita pa lang tulo na batch na liga na may pa-preview. Diba? So, sulit na din para sa tanan sa inyo, ay may mga prizes pa ta, every player of the game, may prize ta, perfect skin, di para may dalang mga mo sa inyo na asawa. Diba? Mabis player na mo, kumangkot asawa, hindi ka magkadto. Mabis player ko, ako hindi ka magkadto. Hindi ka magkadto para sa inyo, diba? Okay. Tapos, may Facebook Live pa ta, si Macro Sports, follow nyo there, para may alam ka mo pa waiting sa inyong Facebook.
Please like and share.
Tapos, mga inyong mga pamilya or mga batchmates nyo, para sa abroad, pwede ka tanaw sa aton.
Shout out sa nagalantaw sa buong. Hi there.
Thank you, Macros. Before I open, I would like to thank all our sponsors. PGPI, or Prosperity Global Petroleum Incorporated. KNB Construction and Supply. Oxford Marketing. SP Construction. San Miguel Brewery, Bacolod. Choice Sportswear, the official outfitter of Tropa Y2K. Perfect Skin. Perfect Skin, sila na ato sa part of the game, sila ang sponsor sa ato mga gift shirts. RRJ Aluminum and Gas Supply. Si RRJ, sila na mga sa ato win medals. Sa MVP, sa MVP, Mythical 5, Santa Capital Central, and Splash Bar. Thank you, sponsors. Okay? Before ito masugod sa lampa,
May request na po papicturean ay sa Board of Directors. directors para sa alumni galing na ano dato.
Sige,
na
sige.
page.
Wait lang. Before natin na, may 3-point shootout ha. Anyone can join us. 100 pesos.
3-point shootout.
Ang 100 pesos yun kung magdaog ka mo, may pot money ka mo na 50%. Ang 50% na makadto na sa alumni. Nagkatag pag si Mac Rose.
Oho!
Gift certificate na muna ako na tayo. 1 hour of free billiards sa pictures. Okay? May sulit
Thank
na
you,
mga
Coach
pesos
Bob.
sa photo mo din. Meron
Sponsored
din,
by
cash voucher.
Beacher Sports
Chicken at
Bar.
Baboy. Chicken at Baboy, thank you. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Sir Jordan. Na, sulit naman ang gate. Pwede pa kung ma-register ha? Pero mas ugod ha? At exactly 6:45. Ha? Kaya para makatapos na yun.
Shout out kay Sir MJ Dalandoni. Uy, watching from India.
Before I open, let me call Brianna and Joey.
And I would like to invite our board of directors to give this token of appreciation para sa ating mga guests. So we are requesting ang ating mga board of directors to give them our guests.
Ay, kamera.
And as a guest speaker during the ceremony of the LCC Y2K Alumni Master Clinic 2025. Held at Honorable Sir Pagkanalang Mapalo City, July 2025. To press inspiring words help set the tone for a meaningful and memorable start to the meet. We deeply appreciate your active support and participation, presented with sincere gratitude by Archie Avellana, Y2K Overall Sports Coordinator, and Antonio M. De Ramos Jr., Y2K Overall Bus Event Coordinator.
I see. Picture, picture.
Picture, picture! Gift certificate from Splash Bar. Thank you very much, Dr. Mga sponsor.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. One more. 1, 2.
Thank you very much.
So without further ado, declare that LCC Bacolod Y2K Alumni Basketball League 2025 open! Court 1 there, Court 2. Dito ang listahan naman. Ang listahan na ito, kasi so sa 3-point shootout, dua ka pula per spot, wala ni tile. Dua pula per spot. Okay? First game. Alas na. Bayad na. Bayad. NABC and Tropa, Innocence and second game, Innocence and Tropa Tigers. Bayad.
Wala ka ba? Uling nga, court. Oy, may intra ka sa shooting. Ang bag to mo kay ano? Nga masaka. Baka mo sa baba. Hindi na kami. Hi. Happy birthday kay MJ Dalandone, uy.
Ang wala ka bayad, si 700. Paano tayo
Macmel!
Hindi ko wala ka bayad. Paano lang ang pangalan? Sino ba mali?
Happy 4th of July from Sacramento. God bless sa tropa and batchmate and to everyone who are playing. Be safe. Ambal ni Sir Leo. May bayad to 100.
Ano?
Ano ka to? Mag shooting. Daog may matunga sila sa Patmani. Ay, hindi ko nakalista na to. Ito ko nakalista.
Para sino? Ikaw lang ah, para so.
Anong tawad ko kami?
Para ka ni O. Ang bayad nito, ano na yung
Natawad ko nakalista ka.
para ka ni O, na lista.
Alam ko lang ko nalista ka doon. Nantaw ko na signal.
Oh, sige. Okay. Thank you, Gail.
Brian, hi, alay si mo fans. Hi kay Brian. Thank you. Ay, wala mo sabihin lang ko na ito, ha?
Ikaw rin kinauya ko.
Shout out na rin sa Mega kung ako po pa. Kantahin ko tanay bisang Little Mermaid, eh. Dami na kami na sa napakantao Little Mermaid mo. Ano naman? Dahil na, we, nalista mo sa Noynoy? Ati ato ata din mabayad. Ato kayo dito.
Ikaw na isip mo? Tropa, tuloy na libig. Ikaw, isip.
Dito nga online.
Pila na total? Pila total?
Sino ba may?
Hello and good evening sa tanan nga mga kabors na nagalantaw sa buong. Pa-share sang live. Pero mas damo pagid makalantaw. Especially sa alumni sa LCC. Oh, shout out sa Beacher Sports Bar. Thank you, gift sa gift card, a free 1-hour ticket. 1-hour billiard.
Sige to. Uy.
Kato na tuwa nyo pa to. Kapasaway mo ako daw. Sir Richie, Archie, din sa ganit sa mga port. support ba ito na at doon na ito hindi naman pasaway.
Pero tapos, loya.
Ay, pulo.
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 First shooter. First shooter.
Bitch, amo na. Oo, ma'am. Ato sir, chill. Billiard na tayo ako, Mario. Hey, you wanna have billiard? Kag may 30 pesos na discount. Oh. Mauya-uya kaya, ma-shoot ka na ng ito. Congrats to Batch Y2K for this event. Bali Sir Leo. And shout out kay Benji Abdon Makam. Bali Sir Clark. Mayo-uya ko. Ano mo pa rin design?
Basta na design.
Ang ako to yung na nagkubras ang design sa inyo
Hindi
pala.
na damo-damo na ako naka-design.
Ano ba?
Hindi niya, loya.
Nagduta itong viewers ha. Shoutout sa mga kaballers na kagalantaw sa buong pa-shares ng live. Shoutout sa Piyak Balay namon yung single mom. Nag-support sa Batch 99. Sabaw ka.
Kasi isa na yung katira.
Wala ko baluoy. Mamati ka sa ilang mechanics eh. O dito kanino yung? Ama, shoot na lang ako na yun. Pila ka tira ko no, we. Isa sa kadaan mo na, oh. Tapos, kadaan mo na mo lang score. Halangan mo yan, ano na isa? We.
Ano ba gamit mo? iPhone ano?
Relax.
Ano ganit?
Pwede mabatian ang nagkakanta. Oh! We! Hambal ni Wilfred Mangalos. Pwede mabatian ang nagkakanta Little Mermaid. Aresawa. Hindi may nagalawag sa imo, Macnilo. blue line ko na. Symbol ko na sa blue line.
Point one.
Ano daw po nung nag-in-intra ako? Daw si Kom. We. Ara pa da ang bitikin. Ara pa ka nung bitikin pa no. Basta si mama ni Brianna.
Malasunggot ko kang Wilfred.
Nagsunggod ko na si Ruela kay Wilfred ay. Hoy, i-follow na yan ako na page siya. I-share na ako. Napersa ba? Napersa. Ari sa glao. Ari sa glao.
2 points ng Gitbo. Selebrasyon.
Uy! Pila ka shooting, no? Ano? Hoy. Sidihin ka na yung ma-shot. Ara na gano'n yung?
3 points total. Next shooter. Javier.
Dili ka gitnoy. Sir, dirahin mo niya. Wow! One.
Gai ko ni Bi! Gai niyo ko ni Bi, oh! Wala na samin, may ayaw.
Two. Uy,
Points still.
uy, wala pa.
3 points. Last spot.
Oh,
For the shot.
uy.
3 points.
Sa ilo pala?
Next, Mr. Cruz for 3. Basket, 1 point. Third marker.
May nagapanguli.
1 point. Basket, 2 points.
Next, fourth one, Archie. Archie.
Last marker. Three points total. Next, Mr. Delorfino for the shot. Wala pa na pulsuan. Fourth marker. Last marker. Last shot. Next, shooter. Panike, pili na ko. Panike, Gilion, Pirasol, Velez, Isena, Castro, Abdon, Macnil, Villanueva.
At na ikaw na yun sa Macnay, noy. Pati ako sa pangalan mo nawag.
Basket. Lan. Marlon. Marlon.
Ha? Gaya, ito gaya sa iya.
Last marker. Still
May
1
nagkwento lang mo.
point. 2 points. 1 more to tie.
Mr. Balikit. Shooter.
Tapikan. Tapikan.
Mr. Castro.
Sa Talisay. Talisay. Ang ginapulutan mo siya.
Second marker. Still no basket. First basket. 2 points. Last marker. Currently at 2 points. For the last shot. 2 points. Put up. Mr. Abroad. First shot, no good. Second marker. 1 point. Third marker na, sir. Still 1 point. Last marker. Currently at 2 points. Last shot.
Good luck, tropa hamal ni Rene Pandida. Shout out kay Benji Macam. Bali Sir Ryan Hulagay.
First marker. The shot. Basket. Second marker. Fourth marker. Currently at 1 point.
Daw sako si Tomo. Harap pa daw.
Points. Two points total for Mr. Emilio next shooter. Perasol. Perasol.
Ay! Si... Noy, papa ni ano? Ni Remrem. Papa ni Remrem. Arawan ka shooting sa bungo. Bata ba na hindi tamuro
Next
pala?
shooter, Dennis Peter.
Upod ko sa office ang unang bata. Ito na gamay bala. Upod mo bala magpamix na. Tato bala sa Antipulo. Ara ako, Perasol. Nagatalisay na sa mo. Doon naman mga may ginasakyan, nga puti nga sa lakyan yung gapamix na tato kay dito mumel, kay dito mumel, may bata nga, gamay nga upod, ay, yun day ito ya. Oh, tapos may bata sa, daw si MJ man kagamay oh.
Mr. Perasol. Last shot. No points. Next, Mr. Renes. Next shooter, Desena Prepare.
Noy gatalingig ang
1 point.
Last marker. 2 points. For the tie. Basket, 3 points total. 4 points. Sorry, 4 points. Corrected. Leading supposed Mr. Taylor at 4 points. 2 points total. Next, shooter Tisena. McNeil, prepare.
Inay ka na sa nado.
McNeil.
Di ka muna. Oo, dito. Eh, gatanga tong payo tong.
Tisena.
Kato na to, koy. Kato na to, koy. Sabi nga, tamo sa power yung...
2 points. Still at 2 points. 3 points. For the tie. 3 points total. Last shooter. Mag-take sa Ilang. At Toro. Sige. Ito na, sige. First shot. One point.
May, dog, may, ano ko daw, may. Dito.
On the board, marker still at 1 point. Last marker. 2 points. Last shot. 2 points total. Tira. 1 point. Tapakin mo ang kabihon sa kamuli McNeil.
Ano ko yan? Oop! Silbol ko, silbol. Bang! Buha na.
Third marker pa lang, 2 points na.
Uy! Silbol! Ay, wala.
Fourth marker. Currently at 2 points.
Ay, ay, ay. Uy, gawat. Oh.
Last shot.
Ay, gano'n.
2 points total.
Ay, ay.
Winner for Concord.
Wala ka sure, bolt ang imo to kilid do. Dito, dapat nag-bank sa first kanto. Ay, nga daw ang bola. Kung baan pa mo yan. No time. Wala ka nito. pala kulbaan yung saya eh. Wala ka ganun man. Low ka rin sa liga. Ganun. Wala ka ganun pangyabayara. Loud. Kinulbaan sa 3-point shooting nga kung bata. Sa liga, gani kontra mo dagko. Gani wala ka nang kulbaan. Anay kayo masuti yan. Low ka. Nervyos yan. Kaya bayad ka naman ito 100 eh.
For the win.
Points to beat, 5 points by Architect Ryan Gila. Alejandro. Alejandro on the fourth marker. Last shot. No basket.
Game ball. Thank you.
Winner for the 3-point shootout from NABC, jersey number 11, Architect Ryan Gila at 5 points.
So fourth, and I had to see if there was really discussed or not, and to let you all know. So as you can see over the top, I went into the search bar here on TikTok, typed in player, and after that I typed in 456, and what?
100 plus na lang po ang ating solar lights. Napakamura dahil ba
Hello.
wala po sa solar pa.
Hello.
Meron.
Our 3-point king. Pictures and chicken at Pamoy, 3-point king. With 5 points. Total. Most points scored. For Architect Ryan Sala from NABC. Number 13. To be given 1,000 pesos. To be given to Architect Ryan, Engineer Architect Ryan Sala.
Dati o,
1,000
nakabili na kami ng bagong motor sa karet.
gift voucher from teachers.
Wala lang, pinakalan ko lang sa inyo kasi nagagalit kayo pag dumating sa kami.
Chicken at Pamoy.
Dati o, nakabili na
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
kami ng bagong motor sa karet. Wala lang, pinakalan ko lang sa inyo kasi nagagalit kayo pag dumating sa kami. Nakabili na kami ng bagong motor sa karet.
Ready, 1, 2.
Kasi nagagalit kayo pag dumaasin sa kami.
Okay, where's King? Where's King? Where's King? Innocent, right, okay? Halika. Volleyball, referee, table.
Alright, mga kaballers, thank you for watching. So, ma-start na ang Hilanga game in a few minutes. Ma-live taliwat for the basketball game nila. Alright, so thank you again mga kaballers. Thank you sa paglantaw. Abang-abang lang for the live para sa Ilampang. Alright? Thank you.